Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're steaming green beans, and we're doing this specifically to talk a little bit about steamer baskets. This is a steamer basket. Contrary to what third grade Mark thought, this is not, in fact, a troop transport for your guys, nor is it a UFO that's invading that needs to be fought by Batman. Okay, so I'm starting with a pot with some water in it. You want enough water that the water surrounds the steamer. You can go all the way up to the bottom till it's creeping through the edges. I did not this time because I don't anticipate steaming for that long. Now you will notice that these things come in two sizes. This one is not quite big enough for the pan. Right, that's for a smaller pan, and notice that it doesn't have to fan out all the way. So you can really adjust the size to your liking and need. And while that's going, I'm just going to really quickly slice up some garlic. Normally I'd use a chef's knife for this, but I'm lazy today. Other things you can do instead of watching this pot try to boil is find the lid. We can also get this lemon ready. Okay, once you notice your water boiling, we can go ahead and drop our steamer basket in. Notice that even the big one doesn't quite open all the way up. That's fine. Throwing my beans in like a guy who throws beans in. And now we're going to cook these for 3 to 5 minutes. And while that's going, we're going to find our best olive oil and our tablespoon measure. Okay, at the 2-minute mark, I'm starting to heat my cast iron over medium. You can use any skillet for this. And because this is my first time using the steamer, I'm breaking out my favorite wooden spoon, Bernie, who has been semi-retired for the last year. 3-minute mark, we're going to go ahead and see if these are done. They are not. Going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the cast iron. The oil's heated, so I'm going to go ahead and chuck in the garlic. And just give it some time. Don't forget, steam, like our friend Fire, is hot. Almost, not quite. I like them a little al dente, but those are still too firm. I added a little bit more olive oil. Those are good. So now the tricky part, getting the steamer basket out of the pot. Oh no. Oh no. Oh good. At this point, we've cut the heat and we're just swirling the beans around in the oil and getting them all garlicky. Make sure that the beans don't fall out of the pan. I'm also going to bring my little wedge of lemon and give it a little burst of lemon on top. I seeded this lemon with a knife. Don't do that, it's stupid. You can just use a lemon juicer. He said, forgetting the word juicer while mid-sentence. It's been that kind of year, y'all. I don't know if I said this is my first time using the steamer. Good, good. Maybe a little bit more heat on the garlic, and maybe some salt and pepper. There we go. That's a little better sounding. Now here's the deal. The more garlic you use, the more flavorful the oil is going to be. The more oil you use, the fattier it's going to be. And fat is freaking delicious. Pretty good. I'm going to bam it up a little bit with some crushed red pepper. Not a lot. Just a little. Just to wake you up. Steamer baskets. They're not just for transporting your little guys. And there we have it, folks. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.